Who's Gustav H?
I'm afraid that's me, Donnie.
Hey, creative minds. Welcome back to Jaguvar. I'm Kareem, and today I've got something truly exciting to share with you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I achieved this cinematic Wes Anderson vibe using nothing but a free AI tool and some Photoshop basics. So grab your popcorn and let's dive into the magic. So first, we're going to visit leonardo.ai and click on Create an Account. Then click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. Then log in using Google. And there you go. You now have a Leonardo AI account. As you can see, you have been granted 150 credits, which you can utilize to generate images. Additionally, there are numerous art styles to choose from. However, for this video, we will be selecting the photoreal style. Click on Generate with this model, choose the number 4, then select Photoreal and activate the RAW option using the specified resolution. Next, navigate to chat.openai.com. Compose a prompt for an AI art generator by describing your desired output and add the phrase, directed by Wes Anderson. All the details are provided in the description below. Copy the text generated by the AI, paste it into Leonardo AI. Finally, click on Generate. You're going to wait for a few seconds to see the results. Wow, this is incredible, as you can see. They gave us like a funny, sad Joker. Anyway, I like this one. Also this one here. But let's try to generate more. I like this one. Upscale and download the image. After you downloaded the images, open Photoshop, new file. Then put width to 1920 and height to 1080 and resolution to 300 and create. Select all the images, drag and drop them into Photoshop. Now I'm just going to expand the images to fit the canvas. Now you go to adjustments and play with some of them a little bit until you see the color and the vibe fits. Select the adjustment layers and press Ctrl+G to group them. Now I'm going to add a text which will be the movie title. I will choose the color yellow and find a font that I like. After that, select the two text and press Ctrl+J to duplicate them and drag them below the main texts and change the color from yellow to orange or red, which will be like a shadow. And then group the text as well and name the folder title. This is perfect. Now save your designs as JPG, go to File Export, and save for web. Choose JPG, and click Save. Open the design you saved, and go to Filter, Camera, Raw Filters, and add texture, clarity, and sharpness. Then save the preset to use it after. Then go to Filter and Filter Gallery, Textures, and choose Grain. Lower the intensity and leave the contrast at 50%. Press OK. Just look at this insane design that we made for free. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you're as excited as I am to take what you've learned today and start creating your own cinematic magic. Don't forget to give that thumbs up, subscribe to Jagover for more creative content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. This is Kareem, signing off.